Welcome to Agri Gadget Picks. Keep your outdoor spaces spotless with the best outdoor broom built for strength and durability. Designed to tackle dirt, leaves, and debris on patios, driveways, and decks, it delivers powerful sweeping performance and long-lasting reliability for effortless outdoor cleaning. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Tidycorn Outdoor Broom. The Tidycorn Outdoor Broom offers the perfect balance of traditional craftsmanship and everyday practicality. Handmade entirely from natural corn fibers and equipped with a sturdy wooden handle, this broom is built for strength and longevity. Its 6 rows of reinforced stitching add an extra layer of durability, preventing bristle shedding even after frequent use. Measuring 56 inches in total length with a thick 1¼ inch handle and a 9-inch broom head, it provides a comfortable grip and efficient sweeping coverage. This broom performs equally well indoors and outdoors, whether you're cleaning your patio, garage, deck, or kitchen floor. With its timeless design and dependable build, the Tidycorn Outdoor Broom combines old-fashioned reliability with versatile functionality, making it an excellent choice for anyone who values quality and simplicity in their cleaning tools.
Number 2. Peaceful Bristle Outdoor Broom. The Peaceful Bristle Outdoor Broom exemplifies superior craftsmanship and durability. Handmade by skilled Amish woodworkers in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, this broom is designed to withstand demanding cleaning tasks both indoors and outdoors. Its 4 rows of reinforced hand-sewn stitching ensure the bristles stay firmly in place, even during heavy-duty use. Built with a solid wooden handle measuring 57 inches long and a wide 19 by 12-inch broom head, it provides outstanding reach and sweeping efficiency. The strong corn bristles are resilient enough to handle debris, dirt, and even brush out old carpets, making it a versatile tool for a variety of cleaning jobs. Whether for patios, garages, workshops, or indoor flooring, the Peaceful Bristle Outdoor Broom delivers exceptional performance and a handmade charm that modern synthetic alternatives simply can't match. Number 3. KeFanta 24-inch Outdoor Broom. The KeFanta 24-inch Outdoor Broom is a powerhouse cleaning tool built for efficiency and comfort. Designed with a 63-inch ergonomic handle that connects at a 45-degree angle, it helps reduce back and knee strain while sweeping large areas. Its wide 24-inch broom head, equipped with 6 layers of stiff bristles, tackles heavy debris like soil, sand, leaves, and snow with ease. The durable construction ensures the broom won't loosen, rot, or deform even in wet conditions. Dual handle slots allow you to alternate sides for even bristle wear, extending its life and maintaining performance. The broom's threaded connection design makes assembly secure and reliable, while its easy-to-hang feature saves storage space. Ideal for garages, patios, gardens, driveways, and even stadiums, this broom excels on both rough and smooth surfaces. The KeFanta Outdoor Broom combines thoughtful design with tough materials, offering a professional-grade cleaning experience for any outdoor setting. Number 4. Kelamayi Dustpan Outdoor Broom. The Kelamayi Dustpan Outdoor Broom offers a modern, eco-conscious approach to everyday sweeping. With its adjustable pole extending from 38 to 50 inches, users can choose the perfect handle length for comfort and posture-friendly cleaning. No more bending or back pain. Its heavy-duty 4-row bristle design ensures dense and durable sweeping power for long-term use. Made from 20% recycled materials and packaged in biodegradable materials, it's also an environmentally responsible choice. The self-cleaning dustpan includes built-in teeth for removing trapped debris from the bristles, ensuring hygiene and easy maintenance. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, this broom efficiently collects dust, dirt, and larger debris on various surfaces. The Kelamayi Dustpan Outdoor Broom is an excellent blend of practicality, sustainability, and smart design for anyone seeking a clean and tidy home or workspace. Number 5. Eyliden Garage's Outdoor Broom. The Eyliden Garage's outdoor broom combines innovation and strength in a convenient broom and dustpan set. Featuring a windproof dustpan with a pivoting lid, it securely holds debris during sweeping and makes emptying simple and mess-free. The broom's firm bristles, enhanced with split-end technology, capture fine dust, pet hair, and even stubborn debris from corners with precision. Both the broom and dustpan come with durable steel handles, 59.8 inches and 42.5 inches long respectively, allowing users to clean comfortably without bending. The 14.1-inch sweeping width and 3-layer PT bristles maintain their shape even after extensive use, ensuring durability and reliable performance. Perfect for indoor and outdoor cleaning on surfaces like concrete, tiles, and carpets, the Eyliden Garage's outdoor broom is a practical and efficient cleaning companion built for modern households and professional environments alike.
Maintain a clean and welcoming outdoor area effortlessly with the best outdoor broom. Engineered for heavy-duty use and superior control, it handles every sweep with ease. From patios to garages, enjoy dependable cleaning power that keeps your surroundings neat, organized, and ready for any season.